Hi everyone, need to top up your Freedom Mobile? In this video, we will show you how to easily use the Freedom Mobile top up code to recharge your account. You can top up your Freedom Mobile account through various convenient methods, including setting up auto payment via your online account. Alternatively, you can call 611 from your phone, use the Freedom Express portal, or visit a store for assistance. Additionally, you can set up online banking payments or purchase a top up card from participating retailers to easily add funds to your account. Method 1, setting up auto pay. Go to the Freedom Mobile website and log into your account. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Click on the My Profile tab located in the account menu. Scroll down to the credit card section. Click on Activate Auto Pay. Input your credit card detail, Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. Ensure that the billing address matches the address on file with Freedom Mobile. Accept terms and conditions. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Click on Confirm to complete the setup process. Important notes: for postpaid accounts, payments will be charged automatically on your due date. For prepaid accounts, you will select the amount and date for payments. If you are on the prepaid by the air plan, it is not recommended to enroll in autopay. By signing up for autopay, you may be eligible for a digital discount of $5 per month if you meet certain criteria. Method 2, setting up pre authorized payment through your bank. Contact your bank to inquire about setting up automatic bill payments. Add Freedom Mobile as Pay, including your account number. Pay Freedom Mobile account number, your 14-digit Freedom Mobile account number. Specify the payment amount and frequency according to your preferences. Confirm the setup with your bank and ensure they will have all necessary information. It may take 3 to 5 business days for the payment to process. Method 3, in-store payments. Go to Freedom Store Locator page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter your address or city or postal code. Click Find button to get nearby store detail. Ask a representative for help with making your payment. Give them your account details and specify the amount you wish to pay. You can pay using Visa, MasterCard, American Express. Availability may vary by location, Visa debit, or cash. Method 4, over the phone. Call 611 from your Freedom Mobile phone and follow the prompts provided by the automated system. Choose the option to make a payment when prompted. Enter your credit card details, which are Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Visa debit. Follow the instruction to finalize your payment. Method 5, My Account Online Payment. Visit the Freedom Mobile website and log in with your credentials. Find the payment section within your account dashboard. Choose the amount you wish to pay. You can pay using Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Visa Debit. Review the details and confirm your payment. Method 6, Express Payment Portal. Go to the Freedom Mobile Express Payment Portal. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then enter your account details as prompted. Specify how much you want to pay. Acceptable payment method include Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Visa Debit. Confirm and complete your payment. Important note: there is a no assisted payment fee for online payments. Method 7, Prepaid top ups for prepaid customers only. If you are a prepaid customer, you can also use top ups. Buy a top up from participating retailers. Use the included instructions to apply your top up to your account. Top ups can be purchased using Visa, MasterCard, American Express. Availability may vary, Visa debit, or cash.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.